Welcome to G Hostel, your ideal co-living space. Access key for safety. To single bedroom. Single bedroom. Queen and single bedroom. Queen bedroom. Hot and cold water supply. Equipped with washing and drying machines and a refrigerator. Enjoy the morning market every Sunday, right in front of the hotel entrance. Contact C and Y Realty Management today to book your stay at G Hostel.